Have you ever dreamt of studying in Europe's top universities for free? Imagine walking the storied halls of prestigious institutions, soaking up knowledge in fields you're passionate about. Picture yourself discovering new cultures, making lifelong friendships, and creating memories that span the breadth of Europe. Now imagine all of this without the strain of financial burdens, because we know that it's one of the biggest barriers that many aspiring students face. But here's the good news, this isn't just a dream, it's a real possibility. Enter the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship, a golden ticket that opens the door to a world of opportunities. This program provides full funding and support to international students, breaking down financial barriers and paving the path to academic excellence. Well, guess what? The Erasmus Mundus Scholarship makes this dream possible.
Stay tuned until the very end because we'll be unveiling the step-by-step application process stuff you won't find anywhere else. And make sure to subscribe for more insider scholarship content.
Let me introduce you to the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship. This phenomenal program offers international students the golden opportunity to study in some of the top European universities across multiple countries. But that's not all. The Erasmus Mundus Scholarship is fully funded, meaning it provides complete financial support to its recipients. Imagine the possibility of studying in Europe without the worry of tuition fees, living expenses, or travel costs. It's a reality made possible by the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship. The financial freedom it offers allows you to focus entirely on your academic pursuits and personal development. But the benefits of the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship extend far beyond just financial support. It's about the enriching experience of studying in different countries, immersing yourself in diverse cultures, and gaining a global perspective. It's about the invaluable networks you build, and the lifelong friendships you forge during your studies. The scholarship doesn't just offer an education, it offers an experience that aids in developing cultural fluency, a skill that's increasingly important in our interconnected world. It's also about personal growth as you step out of your comfort zone and navigate through new environments and experiences. And let's not forget the career opportunities. Graduates of the program are well positioned for global careers. The advanced knowledge, research skills, and cultural fluency you gain through the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship make you an attractive candidate to employers worldwide. In essence, the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship is more than just a scholarship. It's a springboard to personal growth, a ticket to global careers, and an invitation to join a community of changemakers worldwide. So, not only does the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship break down financial barriers, but it also opens the door to a world of opportunities. Now, you might be asking who can apply for this amazing scholarship. Well, the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship is open to all international students who dream of studying in Europe's top universities, but it's not just about the desire to study abroad. This scholarship seeks individuals who have demonstrated academic excellence. You see, the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship is about investing in potential changemakers, those who will use their education to make a difference in the world. So, if you've consistently performed well in your studies, this could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. But remember, the application process requires thorough research and preparation. It's not just about having good grades, but also about showcasing your potential to contribute positively to the global community. That could be through leadership initiatives, volunteering, research, or any other avenues that demonstrate your commitment to making a positive impact. So if you're an international student with a strong academic record and a passion for making a difference, this scholarship is definitely worth considering. If you are an international student with a strong academic record, this scholarship could be for you. So, how can you apply for the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship? That's the big question, isn't it? Well, let's break it down into easy-to-follow steps. First things first, the application process begins with thorough research. You'll want to familiarize yourself with the scholarship's terms and conditions, eligibility criteria, and the list of participating universities. Being well-informed ensures you make the right choices and decisions in your application. Next, you'll need to select up to 3 programs of your choice. Bear in mind that these programs should align with your academic goals and future career aspirations. Remember, variety is the spice of life, so don't be afraid to choose programs in different disciplines or universities. Once you've made your selection, it's time to prepare your application. This typically includes your academic records, a motivation letter, recommendation letters, and proof of language proficiency. Your motivation letter is particularly important as it's your chance to show your passion, dedication, and why you're the perfect fit for the scholarship.
Our hearts beat to the city streets.
You can get all the information and the application link from our blog post. Head over to the description box below this video and click the link to go to our blog.
Buildings, as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young.
Read through all the information there, and when you scroll down, click where it says application process. This will take you directly to the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship official website, where you can find the application and more details about how to apply.
Running wild, never sleep, never stop. Every shot from the top, we're gonna.
On the Erasmus Mundus website, you will find the course catalog. There are over 200 courses offered under the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship Program. Each course has its own specific requirements and eligibility criteria.
Now the morning.
Browse through the catalog and choose the program that best matches your educational background and interests. Make sure to carefully review the admissions requirements for your selected courses before applying. When you find one or more programs that are a good fit, you can then submit your Erasmus Mundus scholarship application online through the course page on the website.
Now, once everything's in order, you'll submit your application online. Be sure to double-check everything before hitting the submit button. You don't want a small typo to be the reason your application gets sidelined. After submitting your application, it's a waiting game. You might be invited for an interview, so be prepared to talk about your academic achievements, career goals, and why you chose the Erasmus Mundus scholarship. Finally, if you're selected, you'll receive an offer letter. From there, you'll need to accept the offer and begin preparing for your exciting journey to Europe. That's the application process in a nutshell. It might seem daunting at first, but remember, every journey begins with a single step, and the key to a successful application is preparation. Do your research, prepare your documents well, and present yourself in the best light possible. Remember, preparation is key when applying for the Erasmus Mundus scholarship. Now let's talk about why the Erasmus Mundus scholarship is truly life-changing. This scholarship does more than just fund your studies. It opens up a whole world of opportunities that would otherwise be inaccessible. First off, the Erasmus Mundus scholarship provides you with advanced knowledge and research skills. By studying in top European universities, you're exposed to the best of academic resources and teaching methods. This scholarship offers an academic experience that's truly second to none, allowing you to delve deep into your chosen field and come out with an exceptional understanding and expertise. But the benefits of the Erasmus Mundus scholarship extend beyond the classroom. This scholarship also offers you the chance to experience diverse European cultures firsthand. As you study and live in multiple countries, you'll immerse yourself in different ways of life, learn new languages, and gain a nuanced understanding of European societies. This cultural fluency, combined with your academic prowess, makes you a highly attractive candidate in the global job market. The Erasmus Mundus scholarship is a gateway to global careers, setting you on the path to work in international organizations, multinational corporations, or even start your own global enterprise. Moreover, the Erasmus Mundus scholarship facilitates personal growth on an unprecedented scale. As you navigate new cultures, academic environments, and personal challenges, you become more adaptable, resilient, and confident. You'll build lifelong friendships with fellow students from all corners of the globe, creating a network of support that'll stay with you long after your studies. And finally, by becoming an Erasmus Mundus scholar, you join a community of changemakers worldwide. You become part of a network of individuals who are making a difference in their fields, their communities, and the world at large. The Erasmus Mundus scholarship is more than just funding. It's a stepping stone to a brighter future. So, are you ready to take the leap and apply for the Erasmus Mundus scholarship? We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's take a moment to recap. The Erasmus Mundus Scholarship is a fully funded program that presents an incredible opportunity to study at top-tier European universities. It's not just about academics, though. This program offers a unique chance to immerse yourself in diverse cultures, foster lifelong friendships, and create memories that span across Europe. Remember, the application process requires careful research and preparation. Academic excellence is a must, but don't forget to showcase your unique qualities and experiences as well. The Erasmus Mundus program is looking for changemakers, for individuals who aren't afraid to think outside the box and challenge the status quo. Now I know applying for a scholarship can seem daunting. You might be wondering if you're good enough, if you have what it takes. I'm here to tell you, you absolutely do. Believe in your potential. You have something valuable to bring to the table, and this scholarship could be the perfect platform for you to shine. Don't let the fear of rejection hold you back. Even if you face obstacles along the way, remember, each setback is a setup for a comeback. It's all part of the journey towards achieving your dreams, so take the leap. Embrace the opportunity. Start your application for the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship today. This could be the start of an exciting new chapter in your life, a chapter filled with knowledge, growth, and adventure. Remember, the world is full of opportunities, and the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship might just be the one for you.
Whoa, those application tips were fire. Am I right? Now it's time to return the favor. Hit that big red subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a video with more exclusive scholarship deets. Got friends who need this inspo too? Give this video a big thumbs up and tag them in comments below so they can snag their dream scholarship opportunity. Thanks so much for watching and being part of the channel, fam. Now go own that Erasmus Mundus application like the rock star you are. Sending all the good vibes your way. Catch y'all in the next video.